Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a members-only page in Wix, so you can share exclusive content with people who are logged into your site. Whether you're building a private resource library, a course hub, or a VIP section for subscribers, this is a simple and powerful way to control who sees your content. We'll cover two main methods. First, I'll walk you through how to create a brand new members-only page from scratch. Then, I'll show you how to take an existing page on your site and restrict access to members only without having to rebuild anything. Let's get started inside the Wix editor. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find the Pages panel in the toolbar. Go ahead and click that to open the full list of pages on your site. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the panel and click the plus icon to add a new page. When the page options appear, select Custom Member Page. Wix will automatically generate a blank page that is restricted to site members. This means only users who are logged in will be able to access it, while anyone else will be blocked. It's an easy way to instantly create a private space on your website. Now you can design this page just like any other. Add text, images, sections, and buttons to build out your content. Make sure to include a clear welcome message so members know they're in the right place. You can also organize your content using headings, add buttons that link to other member resources, and keep your layout clean so everything is easy to navigate.
It's a smart move to give your page a clear and recognizable name within the Pages panel, so you can quickly find and manage it later on. This becomes especially important as your website grows and you start adding more content, particularly if you're creating several members-only sections. By using specific and descriptive names, you'll save yourself time navigating through your pages and avoid confusion when making updates or adjustments in the future. If you already have a page that you want to make private, Wix makes that just as simple. In the Pages panel, hover over the page you want to restrict and click the three dots next to its name. From there, select Access, then change the setting to Members Only. Just like that, your existing page becomes exclusive to logged-in users, and all your content stays exactly the same.
And that's it. You now know how to create a members-only experience in Wix, either by building a new page or restricting an existing one. Focus on delivering clear, valuable content, and you'll create a professional and engaging space just for your members. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider staying connected for more practical guides like this. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.